Have you ever noticed oil on the ground that appeared to originated from under your car? Or maybe you have smoke that's coming from under the hood of your car when the engine is at operational temperature? If you have this, it can be an indication that one or more oil gasket has failed and it's in need for replacement. This video is not about adding gasket conditioner or adding something out of the bottle to prevent any further leaks. The right way and a permanent solution to stop an oil leak is to replace the gasket with a new one. Once the bolts are torqued down properly per the vehicle manufacturer specifications, you shouldn't have any further issues with the oil leak. Here are some possible locations that oil leaks can materialize on a BMW X6 E71. Leaks can form from the oil pan gasket and the oil pan drain plug, and it can drip onto the ground, making for an unsightly stain and an oil puddle on your driveway or garage floor. When this happens, it's difficult and time-consuming to remove. The byproducts of the removal process creates an additional burden with oil spill remediation. The hazardous accumulation of oil soak rags or other mediums that are used must be disposed properly, per EPA regulations. Oil leakage from the engine valve cover is a leak that creates smoke emanating from the engine compartment or from under the car. The oil escapes in between the engine valve cover and gasket. When this scenario happens, the dripping oil falls onto the engine manifold, creating a foul smell and toxic smoke that could permeate into the interior of the car. When you replace the valve cover gasket, consider replacing the valve cover complete, which includes the PCV. Another location of a possible oil leak will be the engine oil filter housing gasket. You can clearly see where the leak occurred and was burnt off, producing smoke and fumes. Because of safety issues, oil that leaks onto hot surfaces could potentially create a fire hazard. This problem should be corrected as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful and that it aids you into making the correct diagnostics and your course of action. Do me a favor, if this video is helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well as subscribing to the channel for future informative videos.